Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. The question is telling us here about Ravi's age. The question is telling us here about Ravi's age. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times. Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So guys, we do not know Ravi's present age. We need to find out Ravi's present age as per the question. Now, question is telling us 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Let us assume Ravi's present age to be x years. Let Ravi's present age is equal to x years. So we are assuming, because we do not know what is Ravi's present age is. So Ravi's present age is equal to x years. Ravi's 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So Ravi's age after 15 years. So Ravi's age after 15 years is equal to, Ravi's age after 15 years will be x plus 15. Because if my age is 5 years now, after 15 years my age will be 5 plus 15, that is equal to 20 years. So in a similar way, Ravi's age after 15 years will be x plus 15. Now guys, question has given us 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. One other equation question has given us after 15 years, but question has given us after 15 years Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. That means again question has given us after 15 years, question has given us Ravi's age is 4 times his present age. If Ravi's present age is x years, after 15 years Ravi's age is going to be 4 times. That means 4 into x, that is equal to 4x years. So there are two things that we are getting from our own concept. We know that if present age is x years, after 15 years age will be x plus 15 years. But question has also given that after 15 years Ravi's age is 4 times the present age. So we are getting two equations. We are getting one is like equation 1. We are getting equation 1, this one, and we are getting equation 2. Two equations we are getting about Ravi's age after 15 years. So I can say that equation 1 is equal to equation 2. I can say that equation 1 is equal to equation 2 How? Because after 15 years, what is going to be Ravi's age? If after 15 years my age is 20 years, my age of 20 years will never change. It will be same 20 years after 15 years only. So for that reason, in whatever way we calculate, after 15 years my age is going to be 20 years only. So for that reason, we are considering equation 1 is equal to equation 2. We calculated out it to be x plus 15 and question given us to be 4x. Now I can write, what I can write? Now I can write from equation 1, that is x plus 15 is equal to equation 2 is 4x. Hope guys, till here I am very clear. What we got? We got x plus 15 is equal to 4x. Or in other words, I can write 4x is equal to x plus 15. Why I am writing in this way? So that it will be very easy for us to make the calculations. This is same like a plus b is equal to c, or I can write c is equal to a plus b. In any way I can write, nothing wrong is going to happen. So what we have now? 4x is equal to x plus 15. We have now 4x is equal to x plus 15. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write 4x minus x is equal to 15. What I am doing here? I am just moving this x from right hand side to left hand side. This is plus x. When it moved, it became negative x minus x. That means transposing plus x from right hand side to left hand side. So why I am moving? So that I can get all the variables together, all the variables having x together, so that it would be easy for us to make the calculation. For that reason I am moving plus x from right hand side to left hand side. Or I can write 3x, 4x minus x is 3x is equal to 15. Or I can write 3x divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. What I am doing here? I am dividing both the sides, by 3. Dividing both the sides by 3. Now guys, why I am dividing both the sides by 3? I am dividing both the sides by 3 in order to eliminate these 3. In order to eliminate these 3 from x, so that I can find out the value of x. So I need to eliminate these 3. In order to eliminate these 3, I need to divide the left hand side of the equation by 3. If I am dividing left hand side of the equation by 3, I should also divide the right hand side of the equation by 3. So for that reason I am dividing both the sides by 3. Or I can write x is equal to 5. How x is equal to 5? These 3 cancels out. 3 5s are 15. So we got x is equal to 5. Now guys, let us look into the question once again so that we can write our concluding answers. We have considered Rabi's present age is equal to x years. We have considered Rabi's present age is equal to x years, and question is asking us about Rabi's present age. So we can easily say that Rabi's present age is 5 years. Hence we got the value of x, as we got the value of x as 5. Hence Rabi's present age is 5 years. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward, but we need to understand the question. Once we get to understand the question, then it becomes very easy for us to solve this type of questions. Guys, if you still have any questions or doubts on this particular equation, please let me know in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.